Once upon a time, in a dense forest, lived an old and wise owl. The owl was known for her wisdom and calm demeanor, and all the animals respected her. One day, a crow, who was very proud of his intelligence, saw the owl perched on a tree. The crow thought to himself, "I will show everyone that I am smarter than the owl." He flew to the owl and said, "Dear owl, I have a challenge for you. If you can solve my riddle, I will accept that you are the wisest of all." The owl, with a gentle smile, nodded in agreement. The crow began, "What has 4 legs in the morning, 2 legs at noon, and 3 legs in the evening?" The wise owl calmly replied, "It is a human. A baby crawls on all 4s in the morning of life, walks on 2 legs in the midday of life, and uses a cane in the evening of life." The crow was astonished. He had thought the riddle would stump the owl. Humbled, the crow admitted, "You are truly wise. I should not have doubted you." The owl smiled and said, "Pride and arrogance can lead to one's downfall. True wisdom lies in humility and the willingness to learn from others." Moral of the story: humility is the foundation of true wisdom.